going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are building a Veilside RX7. Let's get into today's video. So the first thing you need to do a Veilside Fortune wide body on an FD is an FD. That's what we got here. Next, you need a Veilside kit. Let's go take a look at that. The sheer amount of body work and sanding and dust that is about to come upon us is probably the most that we've ever done. So we're ready. This is gonna take the whole shop to kind of pitch in, but we're gonna have our lead body tech, Renee. Say hello.
Hello.
Renee is gonna go ahead and do the full fitting on there. So this is very important because we want the best fitment before we start doing any body work. This gentleman, as you can tell, is very fit. He's very fit, so he's gonna help us get this wide body started off in the right direction by getting everything fit on the car. And he's, like I said, he's fit.
All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take off the RX7 rear hatch. So happy to work on this car. I've always seen it on the movie Tokyo Drift, and to be able to actually work on a car like this and make that into reality, it's been a dream of mine.
Alright guys, the Veilside RX7 is fully assembled. Let's go ahead and take a good look at it. At first glimpse, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at all the gap fitment. That way, if you guys are watching the series, the build series on this, you can come back and kind of see where this thing came from, and we can kind of show it on the later videos. All the gaps, you know, we spent about a week's time kind of fully gapping this, assembling as best as possible with shims and so on and so forth. And this is pretty much as best as it's gonna fit. Now it's up to the bodyman to go ahead and do all the body work on this kit. But I really wanted you two guys to see how everything fits, the gapping, the spacing, all throughout the car. I mean, there's every panel is gonna get touched, and there are some problem areas. This is one of them. We have very huge gaps here. Obviously right here from the door card to the quarters, that's a big issue right there. There's just a lot of little issues. Now I watched another video from some local YouTuber here. I think his name rhymes with PJ, but you know, I saw that he had a huge gap here. And I think he was just kind of assembling it for video purposes. After we spent some time just with assembly, we were able to get this thing to sit pretty well. Before we get started on any major bodywork or paint, I want you guys to take a guess at the color. And to be honest, I don't even know what color this is gonna go. We still have a lot of work ahead of us, so the client has still yet to pick an exact color, which is cool because it kind of keeps us open into ideas and stuff like that. But I want you guys to guess right now on this video. Comment what color do you think this car is gonna go, and we'll see once it gets painted if you guys were right. That's gonna wrap up part 1 of the Veilside build series. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Up next, we got a lot of body work coming up. So if you guys want daily updates, go ahead and give us a follow on IG. I'm gonna go ahead and drop our links right here. Also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and notification button, because this build is gonna be up and gone before you know it, and I want you guys to be a part of every second. Thank you guys so much for rocking with us. We appreciate every single one of you, all your comments that you guys leave. So appreciated. It helps us out way more than you ever know. Thank you guys so much. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.